Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Excel application on my computer. And if we want to create attendance sheet, we can use the template in Microsoft Excel. You can go to more templates right here, and then you can search for attendance sheet template. Okay, and there will be some results for you guys, and you just need to choose the attendance sheet that you want to create. Wait, I'm going to change the keyword. All right, and you can choose the template that you like. For example, I'm going to create employee attendance sheet, so I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, and here you can customize the template according to your needs. You can customize the column and the row. You can also change the color of the table if you want. As you can see guys, we don't need to create the attendance sheet manually. We just need to use the template to create the attendance sheet. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.